akin. But I told him this, in 1997 or 98, kaharap ko isang ministro. And I was shocked what he said, kasi ministro nga, so religious group, head ng malaking church, no, at least in our district. At sinabi niya sa akin, Alan, susuportahan ka namin as congressman, pero ang tanong ko sa inyo, marunong ka ba mandaya? And of course, I was shocked. Bakit mo tatanungin ko marunong ako mandaya? Interchange biblical principle because they're and just logic because they're their principles and their logic, no. So I think as far as the first Department of Public Works around the world ay may corruption na, di ba? The first public works was the Garden of Eden, na kinurupt nung snake at ni Adam at saka ni Eve by eating the fruit. So then it's in the DNA, no. So
ayan na naman kayo Ginagamit nyo na naman yung mga reliyon At yung mga nakasulat sa Biblia at mismong Biblia. Ha? Lagi talagang nagagamit sa kasamaan ng Biblia. Ha? Akalain mo? Ang pinapaniwalaan pala nitong politiko na ito, kaya nagkaroon ng mga masasamang gawain ng tao, ay yung si Eva at Adan. Diba? Iyong Eva at Adan ay isang mythology, isang alamat at wala sa katotohanan. Kaya ligaw na ligaw tayo Kasi nga, yun ang laging sinusunod at ginagamit, lalo na ng mga politiko, yung Biblia at saka reliyon.